Who can tell us how many pots there are? Austin?
If there's 2 10s and 2 1s, it should be 22.
22, exactly. Do you want to write it in or type it in, or do you want me to do it?
I could.
22. Okay, so that's what I mean, Zoe. We can either write it in or text it in. All right, now the next one is very interesting, and I wish, do you think there's more than 100 fish in that tank? Probably not, right? Helen's shaking her head. No, yeah, that would be too many. So we know there's more than 10 and way less than 100. All right, well, what about 50? Do you think there's less than 50 in the tank? Max, you think there's more? Who thinks there's probably less than 50 fish in that tank? Yeah, and again, it doesn't. You don't have to be right. That's the thing about estimating. Estimates should be, you know, in a ballpark. All right, so we're thinking it's between 10 and 50. Let's see if we can narrow it down. How about who thinks there's more than 20?
Me.
Okay. No, Max says no. Carolyn, so 20. Who thinks there's more than 30?
I think it's less than 30.
Less than 30. All right, so more than 20 is what you're telling me, and less than 30. That's very good.
I think.
All right, but let's see. It's very good, but I don't know that it's right. So we think.
25?
Let's split the difference. Exactly. So we think collectively that there were about 25 fish in the tank, and that looks like a good estimate. We didn't say 1 or 2 because obviously there's more than 1 or 2, and we didn't say there's 1,000 fish. Because really, we knew there wasn't even 50 fish, let alone 1,000 fish. So that's what I mean by a reasonable estimate. It's like, we might not be right, but it's not a bad estimate. So let's see. And here's how I'm going to count it. We could make groups of 4 or 5 to help us count, but I'm going to take the easy route, and I'm just going to put a dot on the fish as I count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Not bad. In fact, that's pretty good. That's very good. So we all, I hate to say guess, because we didn't just guess. Guessing would be, there's, I don't know, 300 fish in the tank. No, we looked at it. We kind of zeroed in on the answer. And we said 25 fish in the tank. Well, we were only off by 1 fish. Fantastic. I wish we had more opportunities to do that, because I know it's a skill you can get better at. Sometimes, you know, if when we had that jar of things, if things were lined up, you could count and then kind of estimate how many would be, how the depth would be. But it's a fun thing to do. And it's good. It's good for your math skills as well. All right, bite of the fish. All right, something else that's different. Haven't done something like this. You're going to write the missing numbers, and then I'll have you help me fill them in.